Listen closely because this will change how you see competition forever. This is not about effort, it's about who you decide to be. A man came to me and asked, Neville, if two men desire the same promotion, whose imagining wins? If both claim the same position, what happens? That very question shows that you do not yet understand the law. You accept another as the cause, and so you think you must compete. You cannot accept another as the cause and be the one who has it. I have told you time and again, the whole vast world is yourself pushed out. You do not get it by overcoming anyone. You get it by being the man who has it. Waste no time trying to change the outside. Change the within, and the without will change. What you behold without is only the outpicturing of what you are conscious of being. Suppose you desire a certain position, and another seems to desire it also. You look upon him as a rival and fear that he may get the place. But what you call another is only the state you have accepted. You are not seeing him. You are seeing yourself as one who does not have it. It is not something you think of. It is the state from which you think. The moment you look at another and wonder if he will get it, you have chosen to be the man who does not have it. In that moment, it is lost, not to him, but to yourself. You have made him the cause and denied yourself as the one who has it. And from that state, you cannot receive it. So I ask you, which will you be? The man who watches or the man who is? Choose, for you cannot be both. Be still, for no man stands against you. There is no other, for you have ceased to oppose yourself. You have never competed with another in all your life. If you assume that you are the one promoted, nothing in this world can oppose you. If there seems to be competition, it is only within yourself. If two desire the same position, each will experience the world that reflects what he knows himself to be. Two men may stand before the same mirror, yet one sees himself crowned and the other sees himself denied. To him that has, it shall be given. He who has, not in the world but in consciousness, receives. And he who looks to another, confessing lack, loses even that which he seems to have. Assume that you are promoted and let the law work out the means. Creation is finished. Your dimensionally larger self will determine the means. Perhaps he inherits a vast fortune and leaves the office gladly. He may be called to another city, to a greater place, or the office itself may expand and a place be made for you. Accept the end and the way will unfold of itself. The state is already there. The promotion exists now for him who occupies it. You need only assume that you are already in the position. When this is clear to you, you will not envy another nor fear him. On the contrary, you will wish him well, for you know that what is yours cannot be taken from you. Your world bears witness only to what you are conscious of being. If you were seeking a promotion, the end would be that men congratulate you. Hear a friend shake your hand and say, "Congratulations, I knew you would get it." Feel the warmth and the pressure of that hand. Hear the tone of congratulation. Enter that feeling until it is natural. Then let the world mirror your assumption. Walk as one who has already received the place. No man can take from you what is yours by right of consciousness. When you know this, you cease to compete, for you do not become it, you are it. Tonight, as you fall asleep, clothe yourself in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. You are no longer the man who seeks, you are the man who has it. Then let it be. Your wonderful human imagination is the body of God. Father, I thank thee that thou hast heard me. You already have it. Now live as if it's done. Subscribe to Stories and Quotes B for more.